Yo, what's up? Yo, I'm making this video only for traders, only for Forex traders. If you're a Forex trader, you should watch it. If you don't know anything about Forex, just dismiss. So I'm making this video just to give some tips, some psychology tips when it comes to trading. And I hope it's gonna be useful for somebody out there because I'm tired of scammers, especially now people are losing their jobs. They're not making a lot of money, so there's a lot of scammers out there, so you have to be careful. So I'm just gonna give you some tips, so just you better save this video, take notes. If it's not useful for you right now, it's gonna be useful for you in the future. So you want to save this shit, you want to save this somewhere. All right, so let me show you the life of a Forex trader. All right, so basically I'm just going to show you what I usually do every day when I trade the Forex market. So I'm not going to show you my strategy or anything. I'm not here to teach you anything regarding Forex. There's like plenty of videos. You can learn it for free on YouTube. Like, I would avoid buying courses online because, like I said, there's a lot of scammers right now. And it doesn't make sense. Like, if you really want to learn from somebody, honestly, I feel like you should join like I am Market Academy or IML. I don't know the name, but it's better that way. Like, if you want to learn from somebody, I think the IML is the best option, honestly. Instead of buying the course from one guy and learn one strategy that might not even work for you. Anyways, so most of the people will tell you should like trade like when the market is volatile, like during the London session or like the New York session or whatever. No, I mean, that's just me, but I'm telling you, you should start trading after 5 p.m. Eastern when the market is really slow. You want to trade when the market is really slow, you heard? So right now, all I'm going to do, and as you can see, I don't focus on only one pair. Like, people would tell you, if you're a beginner, people will always tell you, you should like trade one pair, focus on one pair, learn one pair. Nah, I feel like, especially if you're a beginner, you should like keep your options open. You should trade like any pairs, and you want to trade like any pairs, and you want to make sure that the spread is under 20. Honestly, like, you don't want the spread to be too high. You want to make money. You don't want to pay your broker. You want to make money. So yeah, so because especially if you have a strategy, your strategy should work like anywhere on any pairs. It can even be gold, it can be US 30, it doesn't matter. Your strategy should work. Anyways, like I said, so right now I'm going to go through some pairs and see if I can find a good setup for my strategy, and I'll get back to you in a second. All right, so this is another tip I have for you guys. So basically, this is like a trading book. I don't know how they call it, but you want to write down all your trades. You want to write them down. Like, it took me a long time to understand the power of reading, but it took me even longer to learn the power of writing things down. Yeah, when I trade, I do not need a laptop. I do not need a laptop. I do not need like 10 computers. I only need my phone. But that's because I've trained my eyes so hard to read the chart. And now I can read the chart so easily, and I can see if my setup is there like right away. It takes me probably less than a minute to see if my setup is there. So it takes me literally 1 minute. I do use an indicator, and it's called the MACD. This right here is a game changer. Like, you should learn about the MACD. And like my mentor said, candles lie, lines don't. Okay guys, so I think I found a good setup. So I'm not going to show you, but yeah, I placed an order So yeah, you want to place orders. You do not want to just use market execution basically. So yeah, you don't want to use market execution. You want to place orders, because so that way tomorrow when the market will be volatile, is going to trigger your order, and you won't have to wake up at 3 a.m. or to trade the London session, or wake up at 8 a.m. for the New York session. You just place your order and just let it ride. So this is a real account. Another thing is like right now 1400 in my account. It's a small account. I don't know how they call it, but a lot of people, they'll tell you, if you know Forex, they'll tell you you should have like 100,000 in your account and you should use 1%. No, I do not care about that. The amount, I always put the amount that I'm going to use in one trade. So I'm investing 100% of my account, 100%. So I do not care about what people say when they say, oh, you have to use 10%, 1% of your account, and you're gonna grow your account to 2% every month. Just, it's relative. I mean, if you want to put 100%, like 100,000 in your account, that's on you. I barely trust the bank to keep my money in their account. So if you put 100,000 in a broker account, something happened to the broker, you lose your money, you can do nothing about it. So now I'm always going to put what I'm going to put in one trade. So this is it. So I'm using 100% of my account. I don't care what they say. All right. So as you can see, it's 3:40 a.m. My order has been triggered. I like to check my trades right before I go to bed, just to see if the order has been triggered. And so far so good. We're already in the blue, already 100 USD. So there's nothing else to do. All I have to do is wait until the trade reach TP or stop loss, and we're already almost at $200. See, simple. Not looking at the chart anymore. I just let it run. I'm going up still. 3 a.m. All right. Good morning, y'all. So it's the same day, 10:20 a.m. Central Time. I just woke up, and as you can see, my trade is in a good shape. It's about to hit take profit. So this is really great. We're already at $2,000. So this is the same trade. Like there's like two trades, but it's exactly the same trade. And I won't stress this enough, but of course, real account, you don't want to open a lot of trades. A lot of traders, like gurus, they show you they place like 10 fucking trades a day, like 20 trades a day. It's a probability game. So the less you trade, the more you make. All right, so I took a quick nap, and right now it's 12 p.m. Central Time, and as you can see, the trade is already closed, and we are in profit. Let's see. So I made 2,000, almost 2,500 today, but yes, it's a real account. It's my real account. It's the same trade, same account that I did yesterday. And as you can see, I literally spent 5 minutes on the chart. 5 minutes yesterday, and that was it. And I made 2,500 literally in my sleep. 5 minutes on the chart. That's another tip. You don't want to spend a lot of time on the chart. Like you do not want to spend a lot of time on the chart. Like you should only trade like you should, because the chart, when you trade you have to forget about your emotions. You have to be 100% focused. And the longer you spend on the chart, the less focused you'll be. Like, so that's why I spend a minimum amount of time on the chart, look for my setup, place my trade, and I just let it run. And that's it. And I only like trade once or twice a week. You do not want to trade like 10 times a day. Like, yeah, sure, you might make money. You might make money. You might even make a lot of money if you place a lot of trades every day. But this is like gambling. Like, it feels like, unless you have a lot of money. But if you are a beginner, like, it's just too stressful. It's stressful to trade every day. Like, stare at the chart. Like, be scared to lose your money. Be happy to make money. I'm not sure that's good for your health. So you just want to like place as less trades as possible. And honestly, you can even make more money by trading less. Remember, less is more. So what I'm going to do right now is withdraw that money and just enjoy my day. And that's pretty much it. There's nothing else to it. Just stay focused. Do not gamble. Treat this like a business. And you'll be alright.